This is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to personalize content on Amazon. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Amazon Personalize is a fully managed machine learning service that uses your data to generate item recommendation for user. It can also generate user segments based on the user's affinity for certain items or item metadata. So, what if you want to personalize your product or content or your on your Amazon account? It's very simple. So first of course, we have to open our Amazon. Now we can go to the settings by tap on the three lines over here. You can go to your account, tap on your account in here. Now you can just scroll down. You can just scroll down until you find in here personalized content section. In here, you can check your shopping preferences if you tap on that. Here's you can fill your profile preferences to help Amazon personalize recommendation for you, like clothing and shoes. The department that you prefer, you can enter in it, and also your height and also your weight. You can enter your height and your weight in here, your age group, the department preferences. You can share preferences for each department to get improved recommendation when you shop theirs in here. So when you fill this section, Amazon will help you personalize recommendation products for you that suits with this preferences profile. And also on your content, you can just tap on that. Here you can create your own content, like maybe when you review products, like photo, video, or you can list idea in here. And also your recommendation. Under your recommendation in here, you can see all the recommendation products in here. So this is the top picks for you on Amazon. And you can open your interests, and here you can you can discover your interests. You can tap on discover interest. You can add the content, like maybe for sport or outdoor, home and garden. You can choose your interests. So Amazon will recommend you more product about your interests. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage, how to personalize content on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!